When scientists analyzed 10 studies of people outdoors, they discovered that just 5 minutes a day in a green setting seriously lifts mood and self-esteem. Spend 5 minutes a day in nature. Why? You know that feeling you get walking in a park on a summer day? Research has shown that your brain really is humming a happier tune. When scientists analyzed 10 studies of people outdoors, they discovered that just 5 minutes a day in a green setting seriously lifts mood and self-esteem. Add water, a lake, stream, river, ocean, or that little fountain down the block, and you'll get an even bigger jolt of well-being. Getting your dose of nature doesn't have to take a chunk out of your day. Of course, your heart and waistline will love it if you walk for half an hour, but the greatest emotional boost comes from that first 5 minutes of green exercise. Outdoor activity raises levels of serotonin, the feel-good chemical. That may explain why joggers who take to the streets and trails are less anxious and depressed than those who log laps on indoor treadmills. So take a green break right now.